Take command of the road in the 2014 Nissan Pathfinder. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, front and rear air conditioning, and much more. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop in and take a test drive.